Next, let's talk about expressing our emotions. Emotion sharing involves communicating the circumstances, thoughts, and feelings surrounding an emotional event. And usually, emotion sharing starts immediately following an emotional episode. People communicate with others after almost any emotional event, positive or negative. And this emotion sharing can offer intrapersonal and interpersonal benefits. Intrapersonally, we feel an inner satisfaction and relief after we have shared our emotions with someone else. Interpersonally, the social bond that we have with that other individual can be strengthened through the interaction of expressing our emotions. In addition, our expressions of emotion can sometimes be infectious, and this is due to this concept called emotional contagion. Emotional contagion is the spreading of emotion from one person to another. Have you ever been in a room where across the room someone just starts kind of giggling and laughing, and you find yourself getting the giggles even though you don't really know what was funny? This is an example of emotional contagion. Were not privy to the joke at hand, but we started laughing because there was laughter around us. It's similar to the notion where when you see someone yawning, you will yawn too. And we know that smiling can be contagious as well. If you smile at someone, they are very likely to smile back at you. And oftentimes, this emotional contagion is uncontrollable to us. And you'll see what I mean by this in the next clip.